Malacanang says the Department of Energy has been closely watching the power supply situation in the country. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma stressed this, especially as demand increases in the waning days of summer and as the country hosts the World Economic Forum on East Asia this week. According to Secretary Coloma, Energy Secretary Jericho Petilla is watching the supply of electricity on an hourly basis so his department could immediately act on any contingency.
Tinututukan ng ating Department of Energy ang supply ng kuryente at ito ay sinasagawa nila on an hourly basis, no, para nga makatugon ng angkop sa mga maaring contingency katulad nung naganap nung nakaraang Biyernes. Si Kalihim Jericho Petilla ay habang siya ay nasa gabinete ay nagbibigay siya ng continuing updates kay Pangulo, no, hinggil sa power situation at iniulat nga niya yung pagkakaroon ng rotational brownouts at yung kanyang pagpapahayag ng kahilingan sa mga large electricity users na meron namang sarili nilang generating facilities na gamitin muna yon para ma-ease yung demand sa Luzon grid.